Ting ulam o kinamatisang maya-maya na sobrang daming gulay, may okra at saka may talbos ng kalabasa. Tapos may malaking sili. Parang matabang ang aking sili daw. Tapos tayo ay may alupihang dagat. Tayo ay may sausawang pa. Kain muna, kain. Nanikam na. Kain po. Kain tayo. Namiss ko kayong lahat. Tayo magkukumustahan maya-maya ng kaunti.
You make before?
No, I cannot make in the hotel, honey.
Why?
There are lots of children's na talaga.
They have camera there.
Yeah. Kain, kain.
You want water?
Please. Sarap ng gulay. Mamaya po tayo mga kaulam mag-shout out ha. Ako lamang ay gutom na gutom at wala pang almusal.
Who catch you wala nag-almusal? Who told you to not eat?
Bakit daw hindi ako nag-almusal, sabi ng asawa ko.
Who catch you? Which one? Wala na sa eat?
Miss ko kayo talaga lahat, sobra.
I eat 2 egg and 2 tomato and 3 hummus. Yes, and I feel hungry again. You see? السلام عليكم كيف الحال شو الأخبار ano balita na nanita?
Thank you, song.
Bakit na yon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko Bilib Pinoy buksan ang sarado ko puso ikaw ba ang nararasakit sa ulo kasi marami tulog. Taring! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kain tayo. Dali ka na din eh. I buy this Greek yogurt.
That's expensive, honey.
12 dirham. Another one, 2 dirham. Normal one. Why? Why is expensive? You know why? Because that cow is
Honey.
eating. Wow. What is name this one?
I don't know that we call it alupihan in Batangas.
This is big shrimp. Alupian. Have in Philippines this one? They
Yeah.
can catch there?
Yeah.
No, you don't have sand for there.
We are catching like this when I was...
No, I remember in my area, no shrimp. They said shrimp need sand.
Yeah, we
area.
have front area.
In the sand area, in the rock area, it will not grow. The shrimp. Shrimp is growing. Maybe it's grass.
What are you talking about? You are talking nonsense.
No, because I forgot. I say.
But seriously, I miss you so much.
Aywa.
Yeah.
For me, I am thinking about you. I cannot sleep. When I think,
Animal
I sleep more.
Ay ba? But like you didn't miss me. Yeah?
What?
You didn't miss me.
How? I miss you. You see, when I come, like I am sleeping, my eyes is very heavy. When I drive, I cannot drive.
Oh.
When I start, my hand is shaking.
That's how you miss me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sinundo niya ako kagabi alas 12.
That is reaction of the
Reaction?
Yeah.
Spell.
R-E-A-S-E action.
Action.
That's how you spell reaction.
Punong-punong ng laman. Oh.
But this is fresh.
Yeah.
Nanay Nanita is there?
Yeah. Kain po tayo, nanay.
Kain tayo!
Kain, Jen. Kain tayo.
Nasaan GR? GR now is, what time now is basketball court. Yeah. He is teaching basketball, yeah? He is coach or he
Yeah.
have experience?
He's coach.
Ah. What is this? This is hot? Chili. We'll see, man, huh?
That one is spicy, huh?
Oh, we'll try.
Nakatagpo ako kanina ng murang alupihan.
Masarap sa alupihan.
Yeah. See?
How much?
Aba, pagtanong ko dun sa isang shop, I asked, he said 60 dirhams per kilo. And then I made round. I asked one man, he said 20. I said, no, give me 15 dirhams per kilo. He gave me.
Oh?
Wala.
For me, they will say, Arbab, 50 dirham. Yeah?
Yeah. Kain po
How
tayo.
many kilo you buy?
1 kilo only. Kain tayo, Nanay Lumeng. High spicy, ya?
You are not eating the spicy.
No. Dito may talbos din ng kalabasa.
You will start eating rice now.
But I will only eat now one time in a day. I will not eat anything.
So how many times is before you eating?
No, before I'm eating like bread and kubos and in the morning. But now I will not eat anything. I will only eat rice at 3:30 in the afternoon. Neng, kain na, Neng! Sinigang na maya-maya, oh. Kain na, Neng Lorna. Sister of Ismail.
Oh,
Mm.
Lorna.
Mm.
We saw her before.
I don't think you saw her.
She lived there in the side.
No, in Batangas City. She's working there.
If she's in Batangas, we didn't see her.
Mm.
She's not coming in Laia or she
She's
her
always
family
coming.
there.
She have family there, but she always come in Laia also.
Visiting.
Yeah, her mother is in Laia, no? Ari mapayat. Mapayat ang ibang alupihan. Ang iba'y mataba, ang iba'y mapayat.
This is from UAE side? I don't think so, yeah?
Kaya,
They catch it near Jumeirah? You will eat the head?
no. Kaya,
Huh? Your head is what come big. They say if you're eating the head, your head will come big.
it's good. I will be proud.
Oh? And nobody can talk with you.
Kaya,
They should be say, excuse me, when they talk with you.
and get the appointment, yeah?
If they get chance 1 year to see you, that is lucky.
Ayun ba? Big,
After
that
one
is
year.
big arbab.
Yeah? That's how it's come big. How much in Philippines? It's expensive, maybe.
Yeah.
But not all the time they can catch this one.
Yeah.
Enough for me. I feel hungry, but I get quickly full. Maybe what day. You cook it all? One chili?
Yeah. I only steam it. I didn't even put anything.
But it's too much.
I didn't even put salt. Naku, I have rice and sabaw for you, ha?
You
And
will
potato. You will eat later, ha? Her salad is not enough.
Have cholesterol this one?
Of course. Everything has cholesterol, honey. Don't believe that there are food.
Not any. They said only shrimp have cholesterol.
Everything has cholesterol in this life.
Eat and run. You have to walk. That is the. If you have place to walk and nice weather, like you have cottage in Switzerland and around your farm, big farm.
Why we are in Switzerland now?
Huh? eat and walk around your farm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What if there is no farm?
No problem. Around the mountain.
What if there is no mountain?
Around your place. If there's no place. But even in, we are telling
Listen.
the nice weather.
I'm done?
No, not yet.
I see.
They said if it's one spoon, that person he will wash.
Hindi siguro.
Oh, alhamdulillah. You have green apple.
Maghuhugas lang ako mga kaulam ng kamay.
The rule is same?
Yeah.
No change?
No.
No update?